Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Raberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 21st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, I am not surprised. So down 46 cents, 3.6%. Closed at 12.33, post-market down by 3 cents. Yeah, this little move up that we had yesterday, breaking this downward resistance, it looked nice and all. But as mentioned, stochastic was still very low at 15. To me, I'm not surprised to see the stock going lower today. It even broke 12.37, but it's still above steeper support line. So there's still the possibility that it can temporarily bounce on this. But if stochastic does not recover, I have a hard time believing that we are going to break the purple line. There, I said it. I would not be surprised that we break that support right here and go back to this lower support. Because this is a downtrend. I could do this too. But I'm not doing it because this purple line pretty much does the job. So we are in a downtrend. The only thing that is preventing us from showing the downtrend for now are the two support lines at 12.37 and 11.94. So this is what's holding the stock for now. But in terms of strength from the indicator, there is nothing there. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So yeah, the first hour, try to break 13 bucks. We broke it during the day, but then we just caved in. By the second hour, stochastic was still at 61. So all was not lost. But then third hour, stochastic was lost at 43. And then we came back and we seem to be bouncing here. Okay, that's the good news here. I don't know if it's going to last, but the temporary good news is that we are making a higher low, but we are also making a lower high. A lower high, but a higher low. So that's what it is. And going back to the daily chart, all of the indicators are indicating that this is not going good. So unless the supports hold, this is going down. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.